So the first problem here in this slide, in time variant invariant, what we have to do? First problem, y of t equal to x of t cos 200 pi t. Y of t equal to x of t cos 200 pi t. Entire equation, wherever t is there, put delay. Okay. Wherever t is there, replace t with t minus tau. Replace t with t minus tau. Okay. Wherever t is there, replace with t minus tau. Okay. This is case 1. This is first case. Given question, you can take it as equation 1. Second case, only input you have to give some delay. Only input x of t is there. Only for input you have to give some delay. In that case, the output is represented as y of t comma tau. Y of t comma tau. Okay. Now RHS you check whether equation 1a, 1b are equal or not. RHS you check 1a, 1b are equal or not. It is not equal. So we can say y of t minus tau. Okay. And y of t comma tau, they are not equal. So system is time variant system. System is time variant system. Okay. Not equal means time variant system. Equal means time invariant system. Okay. I checked whether I have written correctly in the previous slide. Now I am going to second problem. Next problem in this slide. Given question, you can take it as equation 1. Given question, you can take it as equation 1. Okay. And now, for the first time, what you will do? Wherever n is there, this is discrete time. So, n is the discrete time variable. N is the discrete time variable. Wherever n is there, put delay n minus tau. Throughout the equation, wherever n is there, put n minus tau. Throughout the equation, wherever n is there, put n minus tau. That is case 1. That is case 1. Second time what you do, only for input you give some delay. Only for input you give some delay. In that case, the output is represented by y of n comma tau. When you are giving delay for only input. Okay, this is equation 1b. Now you check RHS. Okay, of 1a and 1b are equal or not. 1a, 1b are equal or not. They are not equal. So what we can say? Y of n minus tau, it is not equal to y of n comma tau. This is in discrete time system. This is in discrete time system. This is the rule. Okay. If it is not equal, it is a time variant system. Okay. Time variant system. Time variant system. Now we will go to the last problem in this slide. Last problem in time variant invariant. Last problem in time variant invariant. Given equation, you take it as equation 1. Given equation, take it as equation 1. First time what you do, wherever you see n, you put n minus tau. Wherever you see n, you put n minus tau. So y of n minus tau equal to x of, okay, x of k. In the place of n, I am putting n minus tau. In the place of n, I am putting n minus tau. So give it as equation 1a. Give it as equation 1a. Next. Okay, next, for input you have to give delay tau. This is our entire input. X of kn. X of kn is our entire input. Minus tau you have to give for the entire input. A small delay for the entire input. A small delay for the entire input. In this case, output is represented as n comma tau. Y of n comma tau. Okay, this is equation 1b. Now you check RHS. Now you check RHS. Equation 1a, 1b are equal or not. Equation 1a, 1b are equal or not. Both of these are not equal. So we can say n minus tau, it is not equal to y of n comma tau. Okay, and this is in discrete time system. This also discrete time system rule is there. Okay, and it is time variant system. System is time variant. This is our conclusion. System is time variant. This is our conclusion.